Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our rear sway bar bushings. Now to do this, you don't necessarily have to raise and support the vehicle unless of course you have a hard time getting underneath it. What we're going to do though is start removing this 12mm headed bolt right here and then the one on the other side right there. It's very common for these bolts to break off in this bracket, so make sure you spray them down with some penetrant before you start doing this process. All right, luckily that one came out. There's number two. Now we can grab onto this bracket. We're going to go ahead and pull it down and forward and remove it. Now we can go ahead and grab onto that bar. We're going to gently pull it down, and we're looking for a split. It's usually on a corner on these. Just going to see if we can pull this right off of the bar. There it is, friends. Inspect the bar where the bushing was. Make sure it's not rotted or damaged in any way. After that, add a little bit of grease along this, and then we'll grab our brand new bushing. Grab your new bushing, go ahead and start separating that a little bit. We're going to slide it right over the bar just like this. Let's put some copper never-sees on these holes. Now we're going to grab that bracket. Just make sure it's in good condition. We're going to bring the hook up and inside that area there. We'll bring this up and around the bushing, line up our bolt holes, start them in, and snug them up. Torque these to 14 foot-pounds. Once you have everything torqued, the process will be the same for the other side of the vehicle.